Our next proclamation is something that I'm excited to present tonight. And if there's anyone in the room with Helping Hands Ministry, Mercy Heart Outreach, any of the volunteers for Mercy Heart, or Rockdale Medical Center, you're welcome to come forward so that we can proceed with this proclamation. And joining us is Janice and Tolbert Morris. And they're with Helping Hands, yes. All right. The proclamation reads, whereas the nation's 3,068 counties provide a variety of essential public services to communities serving more than 300 million Americans. And whereas Rockdale County takes seriously its responsibility to protect and enhance the health, safety, and welfare of its residents in sensible and cost-effective ways. And whereas county governments are essential to America's healthcare system and are unique in their responsibility to support and deliver health services through local health departments, mental health services, and substance abuse treatment programs. And whereas Rockdale County appreciates the partnership and commitment of its local partners who provide vital health services, such as Rockdale Medical Center, numerous physicians and healthcare practitioners, Helping Hands Ministry, and Mercy Heart Outreach Program. And whereas National Association of Counties President Lenny Eliason is encouraging counties to promote healthy living and lifestyle choices in communities across the country through his 2011-2012 Healthy Counties Initiative. Rockdale County employees will be able to participate in a wellness campaign to improve overall health due to a partnership with our healthcare provider, Coventry Health Systems. And whereas each year since 1991, the National Association of Counties has encouraged counties across the country to actively promote their own programs and services to the public they serve. Now, therefore, be it resolved that we, the Rockdale County Board of Commissioners, do hereby challenge each county resident to get moving to improve their daily exercise commitment, and we jointly proclaim April 2012 as National County Government Month. Healthy counties, healthy families. Whereby we will celebrate our commitment on Monday, May 21st, 2012 at 5 p.m. at the Lorraine Park Trailhead dedication, with a walk event to follow. We encourage all Rockdale officials, employees, schools, and residents to participate in this great recreational event. In witness whereof, we have hereunto set our hands and caused the official seal of Rockdale County, Georgia, to be affixed on the 17th day of April 2012. Signed, Chairman Richard A. Oden, Commissioner Oz Nesbitt, and myself, Commissioner Janice Van Ness. You're so welcome.
Speech. Well, my wife Janice usually makes the speeches, and you'll see her nudge me in a few minutes to shut up. But what I would like to say is that in the community, we really don't realize how much health means to us. You know, that's the last aspect that we want to pay attention to. We pay attention to our finances and so forth, and we'll sit there and worry and stress over that and not realize how much that is affecting us health-wise. Janice and I saw a need for this basically when we saw that a lot of our children in the community were not learning because they were ill, and their parents could not afford for them to go see a doctor. So we created Helping Hands Outreach, the free health clinic. And we noticed that I think we started out with 3 patients per week, open 3 times a week. And now we're seeing over 30, 35 patients 4 days a week. So that shows you the growing need for this in our community. A lot of people would say, well, I have health insurance. It doesn't affect me. Well, I assure you it does, because believe me, if a person has an illness, they shop in the same shopping centers that we're in. They're in the same grocery stores that we're in. And if they cannot get support, guess what? They're passing it on to us. So with every individual we can help, we're helping our community, and we beg you to come out and support Helping Hands, Mercy Heart, because we're all working together and we're working to collaborate on this so we can have a healthy community, and we appreciate what you have done. We just got back from New Orleans. This is totally unexpected, but giving to us makes me feel great, and it makes me want to do even more. And I'm reaching out for you all to help us in this community to do so.
Thank you.
How long you guys been doing it?
Since 2000, we've been doing this since 2006.
And now we serve over as we just did our last report, we served over 7,000 people here in Rockdale County. In 6 years we've been doing this, and I'm very proud to say that. That even including health fairs. Y'all known us for doing health fairs 4 times a year. And we're going to continue to hitting this pavement and communicating with Mercy Heart, the hospital, and each and every one of us. We have to come together to make it healthy communities, because that's the only way we're going to be able to continue to survive in this county. Thank you all so much. And on behalf of this is on behalf of my aunt, who was totally surprised to come here tonight, because we just drove in from New Orleans 30 minutes ago, and I just lost my aunt to cancer, and I just buried her yesterday. But she knows our heart is here, helping each other. That's most important. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you.